Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can recover deleted Instagram stories. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. The first step is you need to open Play Store and update your Instagram application. Once you've done that, you simply need to go and click on Instagram, and then you need to click on your story and create a story here. So you can see that I create a random story. Okay, so now I am creating a story, and then you need to click on done, and here you can see that the story is posted. Let me delete this story and click on three dots and click on delete and click on delete from both. So you can see that now this story is deleted, and so now I'm going to show you how you can recover that. You simply need to click on your profile picture on the right bottom corner, and then you need to click on three bars, and here you can see the option of your activity, and here you see the option of recent and deleted. Click on that, and here you can see that on the second one you can see my all stories. You can see that this story I deleted recently. Click on that story and click on more, and if you want you can restore that, and if you want you can delete that. So it is up to you. So for this I am going to restore that. Click on restore, and now it is updating. Let me show you. So now that story is here. So by following these steps you can easily recover deleted stories on Instagram. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.